Hi guys, would you like to be able to invest money on the stock market, have a lot of fun doing it, feel engaged doing it, and not have to pay any fees to buy, sell, deposit your money, or transfer your money back into your bank account? Of course you would. And one extra thing, would you love to have a free share, a free stock? Well, that's exactly what you can have here with Robinhood investment. Absolutely love it. I've just started to use it, so I'm going to show you me using it. I'm going to show you what it does for me. If you're new to my channel, you'll know that normally I sing. Most of my channel is about me singing in my studio, but today I'm sharing with you some of my tips and tricks on investing money. I regard my channel as a very personal channel, and I have lots of wonderful friends and fans around the world, so I do like to share the things that I do with you if you find it of any interest. So this is what I do. This is how I invest my money, and I recommend you do the same. And today, if you click the link below in the description, you will see a link which is a referral link, which gives you free stock without you spending any money whatsoever. You don't have to invest anything. You don't have to spend any money. There's no catch whatsoever. I'm going to show you how the app works now, so you're going to see exactly what I do, how it works. And I'm live now. This is a live recording. If you're watching this later on, of course, it'll be recorded. But right now, this is going out live. So I will be checking my Facebook feed and my YouTube feed. So I'm just going to look up now and refresh the screen. If anybody wants to ask me a question, we're on Facebook and we're also on YouTube, you can right now, and I will answer your questions live. This is an unedited video. And whatever you want to know, just ask me. I can see people now watching and tuning in. So what is Robinhood investment? It's an app that you put on your phone. You can also have it on your desktop, your computer as well. It enables you, the regular man in the street, not the multimillionaire, just the regular man in the street like me, to invest in the stock market, but feel engaged and fun to do it at the same time. Now, I used to do trading years ago, but the big problem I had was if I'd made 20 bucks profit in a day, if I sold the stock, I would end up paying the bank 20 bucks. So it didn't really make any sense. So, it takes the fun out of it if you want to sell today or tomorrow, if you're always having to pay a fee. Well, Robinhood came along, and it's an app on your phone or your computer where you don't pay any charges whatsoever. It's completely free. You may ask, well, how does Robinhood make money? They have some subscription services that you can subscribe to on the app. They also have over 3 million users, so there are other ways they can make money from ads they run on the site. None of the ads get in the way of the buying and selling and trading. They're all deep inside the app once you go down and do more things. But I've never encountered the ads, so it doesn't bother me at all. And also the gold plan, which you can subscribe to if you want more information. Again, I don't use that. So that's how Robinhood make their money. They don't need to charge you to buy and sell and transfer money. They can make enough money doing it through the ads and through the subscription for extra services. So that's how it works. And when you've got 3 million users, you can see that soon adds up, which makes it really great for people like you and I to invest on a small scale and have a lot of fun doing it. So let me show you how it works, right? So I'm going to go over first of all to Google and share my screen. This is my account right here, right now. This is an account I use. And as you can see here, this is today's trading. You can see there, it says exactly what I've got there, what is up, what's down. This is my list over here. This is my portfolio, if you like. Another wonderful thing about this is it enables the average man on the street to be able to have shares in really big companies like Tesla, like Amazon. Now, normally with a normal broker, you have to buy the full share. With Robinhood, it's wonderful. If you only have 20 bucks, but you'd like to own a little piece of Amazon or a little piece of Tesla, you can just spend 20 bucks. So if I go into Tesla right now, if I zoom into this part of the screen here, this is Tesla today. So I have some shares in Tesla. Not a lot. Remember, this is about the normal man on the street, okay? I've got $198 worth of Tesla. Well, a full Tesla share is 571, as you can see there. But I wasn't able to afford 571, so I just dropped in $198.81 there. So I have, it tells me there, 0.347622 of a share in Tesla. So that's great. Now, how all this starts is you create an account. The link below will give you a referral code, and if you use a referral code, it will take you to this screen here. Claim your free stock now. You want to use my referral link because if you do, we both get a free stock. That's right. We both get a free stock. That's pretty exciting. I think you'll agree, right? Completely free. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't even have to spend any money or purchase any stock to get the free stock. You just simply have to create an account. All right. So to create an account, you go into Robinhood.com using the link that's below on Facebook or YouTube, wherever you see this video. And click the referral link. It will take you to Rob. You set up an account. I won't go into my account, of course. I don't want to show all my personal details. And you go into your account. And you simply add your name, your email, your social security. Why does it need your social security number? Well, of course, you're linking with a bank. It's finances. It all has to be done reputable. It has to be done properly. So you have to give that. But it has all the protections. It's a recommended app on Apple. It has a 4-star rating. I'll show you that actually now. If I go to the iPhone, it's got all the protections with all the legal things that you have to have with money investment apps. I checked it out. I wasn't prepared to do it otherwise. If I go to my iPhone, you can see here, this is the app. Look, 3.5 million ratings, 4 stars, 4.1 in fact. So there you go. You can see it there. Look, this is the app here. You can download it from here, but you've got the link from what I've given you. So you've got the link anyway, but it'll take you to your iPhone or it'll take you to your computer, whichever way you do it. But as you can see, you can feel really confident there. 5 million users there, and it's got a 4.1 star rating. And even people like Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank, he uses it. A lot of people use it. It's great. I use it. I recommend it. I absolutely love it. So this is the actual app itself. This is my app. So I'm showing you exactly what was on the computer, but this is the app. Now, what's really great is once you've set up the account, it takes literally 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes. You just go on my link, go to the App Store, go to your computer, and you create an account, put your name in, link it to your bank. Why does it have to link to your bank? Well, you've got to transfer money backwards and forwards. So there's no difference than any financial based app. You need to do that. I mean, it's like, that's perfectly normal. I've got lots of apps that link to my bank account. I don't worry about that. That's all good. Once it's all set up, you can simply go into the app and purchase your first stock. But the first thing you want to do is claim your free stock. So can you see at the top there? Free stock. I want to put right there, look, just there. You click on your free stock and you will get your first free share. I did it, and in fact, that share today has been doing really well. It's been one of my top stocks today. So you get a free stock. You didn't have to buy anything. You didn't have to spend any money. You didn't have to invest anything. You just simply get your free stock. And I'll get one as well. So if you're one of my friends and you message me on Facebook or YouTube, I'll help you. I'll share with you my portfolio of what I'm investing in. And that's great. Then what you do is you transfer some money from your bank account into Robinhood, so there's money to purchase there. It allows you instant credit of up to $1,000. So it's instant. So if you transferred $1 or $1,000, it would give you that up to $1,000 instant to be able to spend. So that's really, really cool. And then you simply go into the search bar. So let's say I go up here now and let's say, for example, I like Tesla. All right. You can't normally buy a Tesla share unless you've got loads and loads of money. But if you click on this, you can. So you see Tesla and you go, okay, $572 a share. I can't afford that. But what I can do, I could spend $10. I want to own a piece of Tesla for $10. All right, I'm not a rich person. I want to do that. So I click on that, review the order. There you go, $10, and I've got no money, cash to spend on orders right now, so I can't buy that. But if I had money in my fund, my buying power, I could then click on that and buy it. As it is now, it says deposit funds. I've just got to send over another $10, and then I could buy that share or that part of that share. And it tells me that will give me, you can see here, 0.017469 of a share in Tesla. So how cool is that? I now own a piece of Tesla. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this is great, but what about being a bit more safe than just going for single shares? Well, you can, because what you can do, you can go to these things down here. I'll show you. I've got a number of them. Let me just go to my list a minute. This is my list here, and I've also got, I'll show you different ones. I've got, let me go into ARK, right? It's an ETF. It's a fund here which will specialize in different things. Let's say you're interested in technologies, or let's say you're interested in pharmaceuticals, or let's say you're interested in science, whatever it might be. There are different groups of funds that have a lot of different companies inside them. The sort of thing, if you've got a pension with the bank, and they take care of all that for you. They have a collection of shares. They don't just invest in one thing. They have a collection of things. So you can spread the risk. So you can go into one of those type of funds. So as you can see from this one here, $103 is what it costs to buy a share. With these people, I put $50 in. So I spent $50, and that got me 0.48662 worth of a share in that company. So very, very simple. So very simple to put money in, very simple to take money out. You won't be charged to put money in. You won't be charged to take money out. You can buy and sell at will anytime you like. You don't get charged to buy. You don't get charged to sell, because that's a big problem for small investors like me. If you spend $100 today and you make $20, you can't normally sell it because it would cost $20 to the bank. But with this, you sell it, you don't pay $20. You've got that profit. You can transfer that to your bank, or you can reinvest it. It's a wonderful thing. It feels really fun to do it. I love the app. It's so simple to use. I'll go back over to the app again. It's so simple to use the app. You can see all my different shares here, what's gone up, what's gone down today. A few little things that have gone down today, but that's not a problem. It's the long game. You don't, the sell high, but it's a little bit more to it than that. Of course, you're not just going to sell the moment you make some money. You're in it for the long term. I'm interested in SpaceX, and because I'm reading the news, I'm interested in if, for example, this morning I read before the markets open that United Airlines had just released a lot more flights because things are opening up. So I bought some shares in them, and again, I only had like $50, so I bought a few shares with them and made an instant profit on that. But I'm in it for the long haul. Again, I'm leaving it there. So there you go. That's a little bit about Robinhood. I hope that makes sense to everybody. It's a lot of fun. Go and check it out. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. You can lose money on stocks and shares just like anything else. But it gives you all the information on the app itself. I'll show you. If I go back to the app and I'm looking at one of my stocks. Look at Tesla. I can see what it's doing over the 3 months, the 1 year, the 5 years, this kind of thing. You can see the growth it's had. It's phenomenal. And then you can look at all the news, what people are saying, what Elon Musk is tweeting. And here it gives you ratings as well. 41% of 37 analysts suggest buy, and the rest are saying hold. Only 24% say sell. So these are experts. These are the sort of people that you'd pay for, financial advice. Here you have for free. So, you can make your own decisions and not have to be waiting on somebody else to tell you what to do. You can just make your own decisions and not have to pay for that privilege. But you might as well go and set it up, because if you do, you get a free stock. I get a free stock, so you're going to earn money straight away. That stock could go up and up and up, and you can keep it. You could sell it straight away if you wanted to, but I would use it to learn from the app and see how it goes. So there you go. I hope that all makes sense. Any questions? If you want to know what I'm investing in and all the different things I've got, please go to the description below on YouTube, and I will answer any questions. If you want to know how to use things or how much I've made on different stocks, just ask me below and I'll share with you. That's what this is all about. It's completely open, transparent, gives everyone the opportunity to invest in the stock market. All right, that's it. If you're new to my channel, please click subscribe. And if you click subscribe, most of my channel is about me singing in my studio. So come back and check out my studio. I'm live every day, and I do a lot of singing and stuff like that. That's mainly what my channel's about. Here's the subscribe button right there. Subscribe and ring the bell, and come back and join me every day. I do live concerts here in my studio, and from time to time I share tips and tricks of my life and what I do. So there we go. Thank you very much for listening. Any questions, leave them below. I'll see you all next time. God bless America. God save the Queen. Take care of yourselves and each other.